looking rough for starting out 2023.
But are you surprised?
I get misty just holding your hand.
Hey everybody, Sierra Media Gal here, also known as Andrea. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a bit of maybe a little unfamiliar territory. If you've been here a long time, you might recognize this location. I've only filmed in here a couple times. This is a spare bedroom, and I'm filming in here today because obviously you've seen the title. I need to get this storage closet in order. Let me tell you, this storage closet needs it. This closet is used primarily for storing gift wrapping for birthdays and special occasions and the holidays. And the other half of this closet I use for storing packaging for my Poshmark closet. If you're not new around here, you know I always keep my Poshmark closet down in the description box. I tend to organize this closet at the beginning of every year, and it slowly dissolves into chaos. I did pick up 3 bins from Target in case I might be able to incorporate them into better organizing this closet going forward. I have 2 of these plastic white baskets, and then I also picked up this large plastic white bin. We'll see how I end up incorporating these. I thought this would be a good way to start off 2023 on this channel by doing a bit of organizing and getting my together. These type of videos never do well on this channel for me, but I like watching them because they motivate me. So hopefully it can give you some inspiration for getting your own house in order, or maybe a particular organizing project that you put off for too long. If you are new around here, I celebrate the cozy seasons all year round on this channel. I also do a lot of plus size fashion content, and I do some cleaning and organization videos. So a little mesh of everything. I'd love to have you as a subscriber, so be sure to click that subscribe button down below before you leave. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy organizing. I'm probably just gonna put you on a time lapse because it's pretty self-explanatory what I'm about to do here. Maybe I'll come back to you throughout the process if I feel there's anything illuminating I have to offer. Yeah, no more stalling. Let's get started. So over here is a pile that I gotta reorganize and go through because I think some of these bags are good enough that maybe they can go in storage down in the basement if we ever need like bags to store some stuff in, or you know, whenever I say move out of this place. But majority of it, brand bags in boxes that ended up in this closet for whatever reason and have no reason to be here. So I'm gonna try and recycle what I can and then put aside some of the bigger items in there that maybe can go in the basement. And then I have a bunch of Christmas stuff here. Kind of organized, like these are boxes. These are the smallest bags, cards, bigger bags, and blue pan over here. These are all like miscellaneous gift bags and boxes to potentially keep. Yeah, let's start organizing this better and put stuff back where it belongs. I know this is like an astronomical amount of stuff, but in reality, a lot of it was like extra bags and packaging that really doesn't even belong here. I should have plenty of room to put stuff back on these shelves here. So let's get started. So, a bit more organized. I have different boxes and bags over here. I have one large bag to go to the basement that has like some larger bags inside it that could potentially be used for some other purpose. Some random Christmas and Easter stuff here that's I'm gonna have to figure out. It's gotta go. And then this shelf is freshly organized and couldn't be happier. So down at the bottom, I have bigger boxes. Some of them are these like bigger JCPenney boxes that can be reused because they're still in good shape. A random large Christmas bag back there. Cards, some smaller boxes, tiny bags. And these are some of the medium to large bags. A couple gift boxes, one random Halloween bag. These 2 rows are for like anniversaries, birthdays, and other occasions. Some boxes, some bags, particular gift bags up here in boxes. And yeah, it's looking a lot better. I had some really old paintings that I did in art school that somehow got shoved in here. I don't remember putting them in there, but I'm gonna put those down in the basement. Get rid of all of this stuff here. And then we're going to tackle, oh my gosh, all of this, which I think honestly is gonna take twice as long as that took. This is a real hot mess. Yikes. All right, I'm not sure how much more of this I'm going to get through today, just because we're very quickly losing the light. So I've got the light on in the closet here to help you guys see better. So we'll see how much of this other side of the closet I get done. Also, I showed this in my closet revamping video from like well over a year ago. I just ended up bringing it over into the spare room because I never got around to getting rid of it. Maybe, I don't know for sure, but I might end up using this for storage purposes in here as well. We'll see.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on. Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh honey, though our friendship ceases from now on.
This is gonna take me forever. I'm overwhelmed. This is just the tissue paper. Trying to organize this bin here. That's not including all the ribbon I found, extra bows, tags. I'm gonna probably do a large chunk of this off camera because it's just gonna take way too long. So you're gonna get highlights.
Roll it.
It's about 2 or 3, who's counting, days later. I did get the majority of this organization done in one day, which I will say I'm very proud of myself, considering in the past I've neglected to really go through that one large like Christmas storage bin. I'm really glad I took the time to do that, but I was knee deep in tissue paper, bows, ribbons. It took me all afternoon to thoroughly go through that stuff, chuck things, put things aside for friends and family if they want them for crafts. So yeah, it was a whole ordeal. So the storage closet now is about as done as it's gonna be for now. Definitely not complete. It's pretty darn close. And what a difference. I know the cardboard boxes might look a bit disheveled, but they're all like categorized based on size now. I went through all of the tissue paper and properly organized that, and the bows, pared down a lot of the ribbon that was in that storage closet that never gets used. But I'm gonna try and use it a lot more this year, that's for sure. All of my gift bags and gift boxes are organized. Pared down our wrapping paper because a lot of that was really, really old. I'm talking like 2 decades old. That wrapping paper goes bad, but you kind of get sick of using the same wrapping paper after like X amount of years. Ideally, I think I would still like to get a larger and wider storage bin to put in there versus the leftover one that I have been using. By the way, it fell over when I was in the midst of organizing and the top of it broke. So technically it really does need to be replaced. So eventually down the road, that's what I'm thinking is going to go in there. And then I think I'll be able to organize things even a little bit more seamlessly. But for now, I'm happy with it. Hopefully it'll stay this way. Knock on wood, it's gonna stay like this for a while. I hope you enjoyed coming along with me for what it's worth, organizing this little space. I hope again that maybe it can motivate you to organize a particular area in your home. I figured this was a good way to start off 2023, a good way to ease my way into this new year for sure. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I don't just do this kind of content, I also do fashion videos, seasonal related videos, lots of different stuff on this channel. So you'll want to stick around to see what I do next. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well if you enjoyed it. I'd really appreciate it. I hope you are all doing well wherever you are, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye. This closet is used primarily for storing anyway.